This Century 21 United property video is presented by Pam Wilson. This home is Realtor Owned. Improvements to home in 2020 include new plumbing for new master bath, new plumbing for laundry room and water heater, new garage door opener, new glass door on front of home installed, new vanities, shower, and lighting in master bath, new vinyl plank flooring throughout home, replaced most light fixtures and ceiling fans throughout, new stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher replaced, single door going out of kitchen to back porch with French door and rebuilt back porch. New roof, new CH/A inside and out, new countertops, insulation and attic, new paint throughout home, new windows throughout home. For more information, review the details below.